Hi, second grade. It's Wednesday, May 13th, and this is your grammar for today. We are working on page 178 and 179, and we're starting a new chapter. It's chapter 6, our last chapter, and this one is on word study. So you're going to see that we're going to be learning a number of different things about words, and we're starting out with synonyms, okay? Synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. Use a synonym instead of using the same word over and over. And we've talked about that in class and why we learned all the different things that we learn. And we learn different ways of doing things so that we can make our writing and reading and other things that we do more interesting. It's not interesting if it says the same thing over and over, okay? So that's a good reason to know synonyms. And you've worked a lot with synonyms in your spelling book too and looked them up in a thesaurus. So that's a place that you can go to find a synonym when you want to find a new word to write so that you're not writing the same word over and over. Let's highlight this super quick. Synonyms are words that have the same or almost the same meaning. And we're going to highlight that to help us remember. We have learned what synonyms are though. Real quick, let's look at these synonyms. Be quiet, be silent. So quiet and silent are synonyms. Did the cat hurt the mouse? Did the cat harm the mouse? Hurt and harm, synonyms. Did you talk to me about that? Did you speak to me about that? Talk and speak are synonyms. James started to pull the wagon. James started to tug the wagon. Pull and tug are synonyms. Andy is afraid of the elephant. Andy is scared of the elephant. Afraid and scared are synonyms. When can you begin? When can you start? Begin and start are synonyms. The squirrel will find the nut. The squirrel will discover the nut. Okay, so find and discover. And it's hard to turn this doorknob. It's difficult to turn this doorknob. So hard and difficult are synonyms. Now you are going to write a synonym for each word using the examples above. Okay, so if you forget any of them, just go look up there. Okay, so here's discover. So I'm going to look up here and I'm going to say, oh yeah, discover synonym is find. So I'm going to write find. Okay. Now you can pause your video and finish that or do it when we're all done at the end. Let's read this part together. Synonyms, synonyms, we know quite a few. Quick and fast, shout and yell, glad and happy too. Synonyms, synonyms, how our list will grow. Words that we call synonyms are jolly friends to know. Okay, heading over here to the next page. Read each sentence and write a synonym for the underlined word. Use the words on the right for help. So you're going to see over here the same synonyms that we learned on this page, okay? But these are the ones that you're going to use to fill in the blanks. So read the whole sentence. Justin will pull the heavy wagon. Justin will the heavy wagon. You're going to find the synonym for pull. I want to point one of them out, and it's this one, number 4. It's the only one that has the synonym at the beginning of the sentence, and you know what that means, okay? I bet the synonym over here will start the way it's supposed to too, to help remind you, all right? Then you're going to go correct your answers in Seesaw using your red pencil and take a picture and show me.